Hello, we're the Hiccup Project.
I'm Christina.
And I'm Chess.
And we're a Brighton-based comedic dance theatre duo.
We've been working with the students today on improvisation.
And working with the voice, the body and expression.
You have a 3D body that can move in lots of different wonderful ways. It's very easy for us to go into our habits that we're used to. Try and challenge that in this exercise.
You just got to listen to the music and let your body do what it wants. And you don't have to think about it, you don't have to look great, but just let go. There's a real freeness about it. And what they basically did is they put this music on and it would change from different genres of music and styles, and you just have to react to it. They made me move my body in ways I never thought I would. We did sort of exercises about being cold and how our body reacts to that, and tasting things and what we'd move and how that would feel like.
The workshop today was so amazing. I didn't realise I could express myself in such ways. It was almost like I released my inhibitions.
It's the first time I've ever done physical theatre or dance and acting together where it's been so funny and so silly and you can let yourself go.
Because you have to really focus when you're at drama school, so getting the opportunity to be crazy and see what you can do and have no limits is really fantastic.